Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kubleye phi baro kinigilong ki khubor bamda kasni. Kakun Nyautrap National Awakening Movement KHNAM men haga arf nyautrek ka Pynher shithi sha Chief Secretary ka jilla ba DP walang u President ka KHNAM ba pendap board hiau Saibon ulay thu ba ka party kalanang ai ki jing ai jingmut benram ban penrung haga jing terwa ban penkala thamai ya ka state reservation policy. Haka shithi kabala ai ho CS kala dawa ban ai ka bha thungkam makrapho person ni ki tripod rivlom ka jilla haki office tray kam shimet bar ki company kinong yalam ka KHNAM ka badawa da ka bha thungkam ba prapho person haki nugi kam balai haki office ki riu shimet e company badai banbu bhana ka benta ki tripod rivlom ka jilla Meghalaya yathu uba Thomas Pasa bat ba James Nengnong General Secretary Uba Thomas Pasa Working President ka jing nang kenton ka jing bamyo kamyo jam hapo ka jilla ka sarkar marway kanumla ban ai kamlut lada ki office tray kam shimet ban company ki sha kadup lang hapo ki kendon ka SRP kani kanya rabha ha ka ban yakhun ya ka jing bamyo kam ki samla hapo ka jilla ha ka shithi ka office memorandum OM bakhat pradrik jilliu Shiajar khandai spa nyopulai paragraph No point R kala dep kentup lupa ya ki public undertaking ki institute bayarap ka sarkar bar ki contractor hapo ka SRP kumta ngimyo i bandon kanu ka jing e hagaban kentup lang ya ki office tray kam shimet bar ki company ru hapo ka SRP ula benram ka KHNAM kala deban IT ki jing ai jingmut ban penrung ha ka jing tmu pen kala ya ka SRP Shiajar khandai spa nyopo ar bad ya ki office memorandum ling ba ka shithi ba life way trick jemang ar hajar ar pulai na kaliang u general secretary ubu jingkali ya ka sarkar ba di kitu ki batre bandon ka expert committee ka don jingmut ayu
has held a meeting on the 23rd of this month. That was the first meeting. The second meeting will be held on the 6th of December. And the third meeting will be held in Shillong. Because these two meetings are online meetings, which has been conducted by the expert committee. And the third meeting will be in Shillong. And after that, all the political parties, the stakeholders, the NGOs, whoever is concerned about this issue, they will be notified through the press and media to submit recommendation to the expert committee so that the expert committee can look into the matter. And that is the latest update that we have received from the Chief Secretary. But from our side, we have expressed a little bit of concern because it seems that the issue is taking too long. From our point of view, amending a two-page reservation policy, I don't think needs too much time. It is a two-page reservation policy, and the provisions are very clear. So we had expected that the expert committee that has been formed by the government will take a fast track, so that the aspiration of the people are fulfilled at the earliest. However, the Chief Secretary has told us to wait, and maybe in the coming months things will start to move fast. We will wait for that, and we expect that the government will ensure that these things move on a fast track, and we'll be having meeting again with the expert committee also. And maybe when the expert committee has finalized its recommendation on the amendment of the reservation policy, after that we will be called for a meeting and we will discuss this recommendation. So we'll wait for that time and we'll see what type of recommendation does the expert committee submit to the government.